Okay, so basically there's some water up here and there's no water in the bottom bowl. Now I have a tube here, and once you start moving water, just to suck some water into it, if this is lower, a siphon will start and water will naturally flow down. So I will show you that here. Alright, so it's in there and it's lower to the bottom. See, it's naturally flowing now. Now what I have here is two bottles that have been cut open to cut the bottom parts off. And both bottles have been connected using some tape, plenty of tape, to block the air and water from escaping due to pressure. Alright, so now the bottle is full of water. It has a straighter valve on one side. On the other side, the tube is connected. The tube goes up to a bowl, and the tube is basically just connected with some tape. Now the bowl will fill up with some water, because if some pressure is added here, then the water will get pumped up.